What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family, Turn Motivation into Means, and Dog Pound Exotic Pups. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification card or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. Alright, so today we were talking about another bank that will give you the bag, all right? Now, I've been making these videos talking about business credit, and I want everybody out there to understand that if you want to get the bag, if you're looking to get any type of loans or do any type of plays, the money is on the business side. You're not going to get that much money on the personal side. Nobody is getting loans, credit cards, or lines of credit to get money on the business side. All those credit cards and loans on the personal side is for emergency purposes only. It's easy to get $500,000 on the business side faster than you can get $500,000 linked to you. Get $500,000 linked to you on the personal side. Point blank period. So I'm making these videos so people out there can understand the magnitude of how credit works, because credit revolves around anything. I don't care if you're trying to do some type of method, some type of slick way to get a loan, a credit card, or a line of credit, CPNs. You trying to get loans with CPNs, you got to know how to build credit and understand credit, because credit is the #1 money game in the world. So I'm making these videos so for anybody out there who's actually serious about making money in the real way, the best way, you'll pay attention to these videos, you'll listen up, and you'll get the ball rolling, all right? Because there's a lot of people out there that just want me to talk about how to make money with this way or this scam or this method. And y'all got to understand, at the end of the day, anything that you want to do has to be done the right way. It don't matter. So if you're trying to get a loan, it has to be done the right way to some magnitude. You're trying to get a check or something like that, it has to be done the right way to some magnitude. So stop trying to learn how to do stuff the wrong way and learn how to do it the right way, because when you learn how to do it the right way, you'll be able to do it any way that you want to do it, all right? So with that being said, let's talk about how to get this bag on the business side. You can get $50,000, $100,000, $150,000. It's all about what you're looking to get. But the easiest bag to get is the $50,000 no-doc loans with your small business. Those are the easiest ones, because the more you start requesting, the more they're going to need certain documents, all right? I know it's no-doc loans, but you got to get your payday score up. 80 or better for your payday score, and I guarantee you can get as much money as you want on the business side. And it doesn't take long to get your payday score over 80 or better. So today we're going to be talking about Key Bank. They will give you $50,000 no-doc loan with your small business. LLC and an EIN number is all you need. Now, just like your personal credit, you got to be able to finesse your business credit. Net 30s are business trade lines. Credit Strong has a business trade line that you can add to your business credit and be right in the door that fast. You ain't even got to have a business address. I mean, you ain't got to have all that stuff. You could build your business as you grow your business. You can get your business address, your business number. You can get all this stuff as you go. But that's little small things that you can get the same day. So if you really want the bag out there, you really want to get these big loans, you got to actually tighten up, pay attention, and get your business together, because it's only so long you can go in life playing around. Life is real. Life, it costs to live. You got to pay bills every 4 weeks. And you kids out there that be playing and and just looking for a quick method to make some money, the days go. You're getting older as the days go. So you're going to keep playing around. You're going to be 25, 26, 27, homeless. Nobody's going to want to take care of you. Nobody's going to let you stay in their basement anymore. And I'm giving you these powerful lessons and these powerful gems to become multi-millionaires off the banks, but y'all want to play. Y'all don't want to pay attention to what I'm saying. Y'all want the quick way to make some money. Well, this grown man business right here. We not doing no crackhead scams or nothing like that. Small fry stuff over there. This grown man business right here. I'm the one that told y'all about mortgage loans and all that. Don't forget that. Now, I told y'all, if you really want to get the bag, you got to listen up. Because there's so many banks out there that will give you the bag. All you got to do is have your documents right. And we all know documents, you can get documents from anywhere. So, with that being said, when you want to get a loan on the business side, it takes no time. All you got to do is get it established, get your LLC, your EIN number. Once you got your LLC or EIN number, you can instantly start adding net 30s to your business profile, start building your paydex score. Go to Credit Strong, go to Trade Line Supply, add those trade lines. Get a couple primaries, because you do know if you got at least a 15 to 20 you got at least a $15,000-$20,000 credit card on your personal side, you'll be able to get that on your business side. And all you gotta do is add a trade line, an AU on your personal, to finesse it to get that on your business. Y'all make things harder than what it is just because y'all be lazy and want a handout. Y'all think somebody's gonna be like, oh, here go $100,000, $50,000 no doc loan. No. You gotta finesse it. All right, so without further ado, let's check out KeyBank, where you can go get your $50,000 no doc loan. You got a bank account with them, bad credit will be acceptable. You just gotta have a bank account and have a relationship with them. Y'all be missing out on these relationships, building these relationships with banks. Y'all do not want to do anything. Y'all just want things to be given to y'all, and y'all be missing out on the bag. But we gonna talk about that somewhere. Without further ado, let's check out KeyBank, where you can get this $50,000 no doc loan on the business side. Bad credit acceptable if you got a bank account and a relationship with them. Let's check it out. All right, so today we're talking about KeyBank. All right, they got personal loans, they got business loans, but today we're gonna be talking about the business side. So we're gonna go to over here to the business side, small business. We're gonna click on that. All right, put your savings to work with a new higher interest rate. All right, so they got the credit cards, checking, key merchant services. They got the small business check-in. They got different options, right? So what you want to do is you want to go over. They got the banking. They got the services. They got the small business advice. I'm gonna go to services, right? So they got the cash management, payroll employee. They got all these different things that you can handle with your business. Banking, compare everything. So then they got the loans and lines of credit. You're gonna go here. You got lending, business terms loans. They got business real estate borrowing, small business lines of credit, paycheck protection program, PPP, lending. All right, so lines of credit they got over here. Term loans, business real estate borrowing. This sweet, and I'm gonna make a video on that next. All right, so they got all these different term loans, lines of credit. All right, designed to provide easy access to funds. Line of credit allows businesses to borrow a payback and reborrow funds as needed, making them ideal solution to help businesses manage seasonal cash flow, purchase inventory, or cover the other short-term working capital needs. All right, features easy 24/7 access to funds, secured and unsecured lines. Competitive pricing, monthly payments with interest-only options, hassle-free renewal, may be eligible for the SBA guarantee. All right, so boom. Unsecured and secured lines, which means you can get a secured line, which means you can put your own money up and then build on that, or you can just get an unsecured, which you're using their money and pay on that. All right, so if you want to build credit, you'll get a secured line of credit. If you want to build credit and don't use your own money, you'll get an unsecured line of credit. All right, so the business term loans. So the minimum amount that you can get is $10,000. You got 84 months to pay. Up to 84 months to pay. That's a long time. You get the maximum loan is $500,000. Minimum monthly payment varies. Payment calculated based on loan amount, rate, term, and structure. All right, so features ability to finance equipment purchases with interest-only draw periods that automatically convert outstanding amounts to the loans. Up to 100% financing may be available for equipment. Options for both secured and unsecured loans. Competitive fixed and adjustable interest rates. Fixed monthly payments for easy budgeting. Automatic payment deduction means worry-free banking, so they're gonna take the payments out of your bank account automatically. May be eligible for SBA. All right, so check them out. Go open up a bank account now, and like I said, you can get multiple loans, multiple $50,000 no doc loans from multiple banks at the same time. and you can run up the bag. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about KeyBank, these small business loans, these credit profiles, these business credit profiles, and how you can finesse it and get paid. All right, there you guys got it. KeyBank, they giving out that bag, 50,000, 100,000. You just gotta have your documents in order. Now, like I said, people come up with these methods and things after they figure out how to do things the right way. Everybody out there who watching my videos, y'all want to get a bag, y'all want to get rich, y'all want to enter financial freedom, y'all want to create generational wealth. Well, you gotta actually learn how to do this, because everybody y'all see out there in the business world making millions of dollars, they learned credit. And you got people out there that's in the business world who are actually behind the scenes doing certain things that, let's just say, go against the books. But the only reason they're doing that and being successful with it because they actually learned how to do it. And once you learn how to do something, you figure out certain shortcuts and corners to cut to do certain things to be successful at it even more. Now, every video that I drop some type of hidden gem. And if you can't pick that gem out or understand that gem, it's okay, because the video is there. Because later down the line, once you learn certain things, it might click in your head. Then like, oh, he just said something about that in that video. So let me go rewatch that video and put it all together and get this bag. $10,000, 100 times is $1 million. Everybody who's watching this video can get that, can make that. Just gotta be serious and stop playing around. So many people out there that buy things that never, it's like, how do I put this? It's a lot of people who buy certain tools and certain things that never did anything in that type of category before and get mad when they don't know how to use it. Like, if I never drove a truck before and don't have my CDLs, I'm not going to be able to drive a truck to California, to New York to pick up a bag. That's why they teach you so you can learn. So you don't know anything about SOCs and proxies and DNSs and HTTPs and all this other type of stuff that's going on. Get y'all information, get y'all lessons so you can learn, because it's not hard. People out here might make it look easy when they making this money and doing this and doing that, flashing hundreds of thousands of dollars, but they actually learned how to do something. They didn't get a method and say step 1, step 2, step 3, here go $10,000. No, if it was that easy, everybody in the world would have money and everybody in the world would be successful, and there won't be no crime out here. It'll just be a good time. Nothing in life is easy. Michael Jordan make it look easy. LeBron make it look easy. But behind the scenes, we don't see the hard work that they put in. Anybody that makes it look easy puts in a lot of hard work behind the scenes to make it look easy, because they're putting in the time and the grind and the effort to make it happen. And then a lot of y'all want to do certain things that are clearly baffling. Like, a lot of y'all want to buy certain like cars and things like that, and then just go straight to the ATMs and use them. Not understanding, like, this is, it's the exact same thing. My face is on the camera. I'm vulnerable. So when I'm doing these videos and giving you all this sauce and giving you all these gems, don't take it lightly. Don't take it for a joke, because you're going to keep watching and you're going to see everybody else watching these videos and elevating. You're going to see me doing things and investing and growing. And you're like, man, if I would have did what he said and was going along, I would have been in the same position, because credit is real. I didn't create credit. I didn't create none of this stuff. I just learned it and excelled in it. So shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers. Without y'all, there be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce. And y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there that's ready to enter the world of financial freedom and join the Financial Freedom University, create generational wealth, get y'all FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems right now before prices go back to regular prices. Right now, 50% off, $600. You can get the 8 instant cash out methods, 2 free live virtual cards, new age credit repair handbook that's going to teach you how to clean and build your personal credit. Leverage it to your business credit. Build your business credit. CPN package plus more. I'm going to teach you how to make $50,000 or more a month. I'm going to show you how to make passive income. I'm going to show you how to make thousands of dollars a day sitting in a chair, doing nothing, just making money. Introduction to the DW, the dark web, plus more. Really entering the financial freedom game. I'm going to show you how to make big money. All you got to do is pay attention and do what I say. All right, all for $600. Do not miss out on the FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems. 600 Cash App or Bitcoin balance. Payment. Once the 600 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot. Let me know you payment ready, and we're going to go from there. So you're going to send it to me on Telegram or IG. If you are not sending me a screenshot, you will not get a response to anything that you're asking. All right, this is business, nothing personal. I don't have time to be talking to people for free because there's a lot of people who pay me for their services, and it'd just be a waste of my time just talking for free. All right, so make sure you're really ready to learn. There's a lot of people that just want a free handout, free information. Not going to get it from me. All right, YouTube videos is about as much free information you're going to get because I'm busy on a daily basis helping people who pay for in-person and FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems. I can't just stop to help somebody for free. All right, and if you really want to learn, you really want to invest and come get blessed, you got to invest in yourself. All right, also tap into the crypto tour. In-person limited gems. $4,500 in-state, $5,500 out-of-state. So you come in-state to me, it's going to be $4,500. If I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $5,500. $500 deposit, the rest of the money will be in person. If you book me out of town, you do have to pay for my flight and my hotel also, all right? So tap into the crypto tour, learn all this information in person, hands-on, really learn the game, really learn how to make this money, and I promise you, I'm going to lead you to the water, but I cannot make you drink. A lot of people think I'm going to lead them to the water, jump in the water, you're going to jump on my back, and I'm going to swim across while you on it. Nah, it don't work like that. I'm going to lead you to that pond of this fantastic clear water. I'm going to show you how to drink. And if you don't drink, that's on you. I got a lot of horses out there that start drinking, jump in the water, ready to swim across with no problem, all right? So it's all up to you and what you do. Nobody's going to give you money, just say, here. You got to do something, all right? So tap into the crypto tour. Tap into the FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems. Also, anybody out there looking to get any type of financial services, you need methods, you need sites, you need any type of gems or sauce, tap into my Telegram, Wealth and Riches. The link is in my community post and in all my videos in the description. All right, so you need the 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards. First of all, let me get it started right here. World Tour, you get your World Tour t-shirt, 1 free live card, and 1 method for $200. For $320, you get the 8 instant cash out methods, 2 free virtual cards for $320. For $500, you can get the 8 instant cash out methods, 2 physical cards. For $600, you get the FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems. All right, so make sure you tap into my Telegram, Wealth and Riches. Link is in my community post and in my bio. Live cards, all that. We got that over there, all right? Hit me up on my IG and my Telegram. Also, still looking for people for the production company. We got a larger major funding coming this year, millions of dollars. I'm still looking for actors, rappers, models, singers, producers, cameramen, or women to build and grow with and make these M's with, all right? So if you're a rapper or a singer out there, you got a fan base, you got music videos, you got views, tap in, come get your watch, come get your Hussle Nation chain, come get this money, all right? Music reviews is $100. Send me what you got, and we're going to go from there. Any models out there, beautiful ladies across the world, younger or older, it don't matter. As long as you're ready to work, as long as you got a good head on your shoulders, as long as you got a good attitude, we can make it happen, all right? Because everything ain't meant from everybody. A lot of people want to do certain things that ain't popping for them right now. You got to give yourself more opportunities, more lanes to do things, because one lane that you never would have thought of that you're doing now might pop, so now everything else will pop for you. And I got to be trying to show these ladies, and I be trying to tell these beautiful ladies this thing. You want to be a rapper, cool. You want to be a model, cool. You want to do this, you want to do that, cool. But don't just focus on that. It's an entertainment business. It's a broader things that you could be doing. You could be doing podcasts, skits, interaction with the fans, music videos, all different type of things. You got to get your brand and your platform out there, and that's what I'm here to guide and provide you down the right lane into the right position so we can be successful. We're going to learn and build off of each other, and we're going to make it happen easy as that. But if you don't got a good attitude, you like to play games, please don't come my way, all right? Also looking for motivated cameraman or women out there, all right, in the surrounding areas, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Houston, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona, or you just can travel. It don't matter. I need somebody to hold the camera, understand the camera, and know how to work a camera, point blank, period. I don't even need you to edit. All I need you to do is hold the camera, know how to work a camera. That means get the settings right in every different location, hold a stabilizer, and get the shots. Music videos, skits, blogs, all that. You can do that. I need you, all right? So tap in. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I see you at the next. Peace.